Hello friends, welcome to be a part of Creative Wanderers. And today we are going to discuss something known as operators in Python. And we have this arithmetic operators. Oh, this is the case with REPL. We have assignment operators and then relational, logical, and finally just one more, and that is unary operator. So these are the different operators in Python, and we are going to look at this arithmetic operator at first. We have worked with these arithmetic operators before, but then now that you have learned what are these variables, let's focus on doing this with variables. Let me just delete this and then focus on these arithmetic operators. Let's say we have two variables, x which equal 5 and then y which is 2. Now let's perform some operations, and that is, let's print this x plus y, where this is this addition operator. Let me just copy this. And then for different operators, now this is for subtraction, and then multiplication. This is the power of operator, division, floor division, and then one more, that is modulus. We have talked this before in our previous videos when we learned this int and float data type. Now if I just run this, yes, we got it right. So this x plus y, where we are adding 5 plus 2, we got a 7, and then subtracted 3, multiply 10, and this is the power of operator, so we get it as 25. This is division, 2.5, and floor division. Well, what is floor division? It is rounded to the bottom, right? So 2.5 rounded to the bottom, we get as 2. And now modulus, we'll get the remainder. So it is 1. And this is all about the arithmetic operators, and these are the different arithmetic operators in Python. So this is all about this video. In the next video, I'll be coming back with the next operator. Till then, stay tuned.